Because I couldn't find any information on what this trail is named or if it's ever been named, I'm just calling it the Blue Peak Walking Loop. It is off of Blue Peak Road and just makes a loop around a fairly flat loop. So it's good for easy beginner hikers. The distance is more like 2.5 miles versus the 2.7 shown on the map because I forgot to turn off the All Trails app when I got in the car and was starting to head out. So it's just a little bit longer than it shows. And it took us about an hour to do this loop. And that was a lot of stopping and taking pictures, and it's a fairly easy walk. You can see on this picture that there is no information on the trailhead board. There is a board though, so that makes me think that maybe there's information there at one point, but I'm just not sure what it is. So if you know what this trail is, let us know in the comments. This trail begins with a nice dirt track through the brush. The scenery is beautiful. And it comes to an old paved road. It doesn't last very long, but it is easy and nice to walk along. It's not used much anymore, I'd say. And it goes to a 2-track. There's a lot of plants and a lot of little lizards along the way. And it starts to get pretty overgrown, and you're walking next to plants on your left and your right that are about as tall as you are. If there's any deer in there, you wouldn't see them. And as you go along, the road gets less and less visible, but it's not too hard to keep on track. And you get to see those beautiful mountains in the background. Along the way, there's a lot of pretty little flowers. And I'm not sure what this one is. I'm sure farmers around here know it. So if you know what this is, let me know. You come back skirting around the hillside, then you're back to the trailhead. Good flat hike. It's out in the open. There's not any shade, so you might want to do it early in the morning or in the evening, unless you really like the hot weather like I do. Hope to see you on the trail.